Ranking funniest clingy dogs moments. Mom's favorite child confirmed. Dog army in action.
Quit! Don't you get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.